Good day everyone, myself Ramu, and today I want to present about Georgian news hoax. Georgian news report hoax. Hoax means something like false news or tricking someone into deception. So when it had happened in 2010 in Georgia. Okay, and what is this hoax? Emedi is a news channel in Georgia. What they had done, was they had used 2008 Russia-Georgia war when Russia invaded in South Ossetia. South Ossetia is a region in Georgia. So the war has happened there in that place. They had used that footage in 2010 showing that Russia had invaded Georgia. Okay, so what is the aftermath of that hoax? When it had aired in at 8:30 p.m. Saturday, most of the viewers of the Mehdi news channel saw the news that Russia had invaded and assassinated President Michael Saakashvili. So when they heard that 3 people had died due to a heart attack, a 50-year-old, 75-year-old had died of heart attack listening to the news, and a woman who's seeing the news she was also got a stroke and she had also died later. Actually, her son was in army, Georgian army. She was in a panic-driven state that her son was going to be in war with Russia. And Interfax is a news agency, private news channel. It has also aired. It is in Russia. Interfax is a news channel in Russia. They had also used this report saying that okay, Russia had invaded Georgia and assassinated the President Michael Saakashvili. Thousands of civilians had panicked. They had went to borders and some went to capitals and some went to capital of Georgia, which is Whistling, and many had withdrawn the cash from ATMs, and many had called to emergency services. Mobile phones had been crashed. Mobile network has been crashed. Parents called their children to homes wherever they are. They called them, and they also started to flee to the towns which they would be thinking safe. Some went to borders, some went to capitals, some went to towns. So here is the criticism. Actually, the criticism anti government, Georgian government was to instigate anti-Russian sentiment. Like Russia is an enemy to Georgians, and they may be attacking in future also. This was said by President Michael Saakashvili after the report. And another thing is, before elections, this hoax had happened before elections. Many had assumed that Georgian government, President Michael Saakashvili himself, had been main player in this hoax, because opposition leader of Georgia, before this hoax, before this everything had happened, went to Russia and held talks with Russian members for restoration of peace, because war had happened in 2008, right? So he wanted to try to maintain peace. He negotiated peace. Opposition leader. So government President Michael Saakashvili, what he did before elections, he wanted to disgrace opposition leaders. So many think that he is the main player. And another thing, who intervened? David Cracknell. He is a senior reporter at for Georgian government working for Sunday Times now. He sended to foreign journalists a message, not true, to everyone, to foreign journalists, that nothing had happened, everything is safe. Not true. Only two words, saying that this whole thing had been a hoax. And even another criticism, another thing had happened. Many civilians had protested against this MED television channel. Wherever those officers are, they had protested against this news. And after that, yes, this has been closed off. This channel was closed off by President Michael Saakashvili. And yes, hoax can have a lot of effects, as you can see, death, panic, and government conspiracy. Thank you. That's it.